Listen, if I lost everything tomorrow, no list, no funnels, no followers, and I had to rebuild from scratch, here's exactly how I get to 5K in the next 90 days. First thing, I pick one simple digital product, not 10, not 20, one, a high value, small, high value product that solves a real problem. Second, I build a super simple funnel, not something crazy and definitely not a website, just one page, one offer with a clear button that says buy. Third, I set up an email sequence that nurtures people, builds trust, and brings in sales while I sleep. And last, I focus all my energy on traffic, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, whatever fits, because traffic is like oxygen. But here's the deal. Most people know these steps, but they actually don't or ever follow through. They quit at week 2 or get stuck tweaking their funnel. And that's what I created my brand new 90 Day to 5K program. I literally give you the roadmap, the funnel, the templates, the emails, and weekly coaching so you don't fall off track. We're going to start October the 6th, but I'm only letting in 50 people at the launch price. So if you're serious about building a 5K business in 90 days, hit the link below and grab your spot now.